Markup import and markup assist enhancements. Improvements were made to the markup import and markup assist, namely importing markups from Autodesk Docs to AutoCAD, making it easier for drafters to incorporate revisions. The markup assist for markups created in this markup assist enhancement is for markups created in Autodesk Docs. Markup Assist can now detect text, strike-throughs, and boundary markups, which can be inserted as rev clouds on PDFs that are imported and synced from Autodesk Docs. Use Markup Assist just like before. After publishing the markups in Autodesk Docs, you open the associated trace, click the drawing button on the trace toolbar to switch to traceback mode. One of the big ones here is that when using markups with Autodesk Docs, the Markup Assist can now detect markups on a PDF that were not created in Autodesk Docs. So in the previous release, once a PDF was uploaded to Autodesk Docs, any existing markups on the PDF, for example, markups created in either Adobe or with another markup software like Bluebeam, etc., would not be detected by the Markup Assist and were instead only visible as part of the background image that was overlaid in the trace workspace. In this release, the Markup Assist can now detect these types of markups appropriately. So this is a huge advancement for those of us that don't necessarily do all of our markups directly in ACC through the web portal. So to view the doc, you can now view the Autodesk Docs issues in AutoCAD. So issues created and published on a PDF markup in Autodesk Docs can now be viewed in AutoCAD. And some other improvements were made to the task dialogues when importing markups from Docs. And when importing markups from Autodesk Docs, the default name of the associated trace now contains the name of the PDF and the version. Activities does not work with SharePoint, Rob. That's considered outside.